If you're experiencing audio desync issues of Fortnite, follow these steps to help resolve the problem. This guide will walk you through the process of disabling audio desync effectively. Step 1. Open Fortnite settings. Launch Fortnite and navigate to the main menu. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 2. Go to Audio Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Audio tab. This section contains various audio options that can affect your gameplay experience. Step 3. Adjust audio quality. Look for the audio quality settings. Lower the audio quality to see if this helps with the desync issue. Sometimes high audio quality can cause performance issues. Step 4. Disable background audio. Find the option for background audio or similar settings. Turn this option off to prevent any unnecessary audio processing that may contribute to desync. Step 5. Restart the game. After making the changes, exit the settings and restart Fortnite. This will ensure that all adjustments take effect and may help resolve any lingering audio issues. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize or eliminate audio desync in Fortnite. If problems persist, consider checking your system settings or updating your audio drivers for further assistance.